Welcome to Killer Patterns Official. Regarding the MacKenzie Shirilla case, I am currently only narrating FOIA documents, so they are out there. It has come to my attention that people process FOIA information when it's read directly to them rather than reading one after another in silence for themselves. That's okay too, because we will do both. On this screen, I will provide the documents, but without any commentary regarding my own thoughts and opinions. I may do a separate video for that, or I may hold lives on my channel in the future discussing them. That has not been determined yet. If you wish to see more from me, please consider subscribing. I do cover other cases, previously Gypsy Rose Blanchard and Ellen Greenberg, which I am about to continue to look into Ellen's case some more. In upcoming, I do have Charlie Kirk and the Cassie Stoddart case. Cassie Stoddart is a case many may recall from the early 2000s, and her unaliving was inspired by the Scream movie and Ghostface. If you are still watching, please consider giving this video a thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever floats your boat. During narration, all anyone needs to know is I do not support MacKenzie or her family in any way. If you want to learn more about the victims and the impact this case has had on the victim's family, check out Dom's sister, Christine Russo, on YouTube at The Big Sister Unhinged. Also, I will be sharing this petition with each video. If you would like to contribute, the link will be in the description box. I am a supporter of this petition, and I would love to see it continue to grow. Let's start drilling. State of Ohio Municipal Court, Exhibit A, Berea Criminal Division, Affidavit for Court Order, Probable Cause. Before me, a judge of the Court of Berea Municipal Court, Berea, Ohio, personally appeared the undersigned detective Zaki Jesus, Badge 11, who being first duly sworn, deposed and says that he is a member of the police department of the city of Strongsville, Ohio, and that his training and experience include over 8 years, comprising time assigned as a patrolman and detective with the Strongsville Police Department. Detective Zaki Jesus attended the Ohio State Highway Patrol Academy and has many years training and experience in the investigation of motor vehicle crashes, including ones with serious injury and fatalities, OVIs, and other similar offenses, along with other schools and seminars in various areas of police and investigative training. Affiant holds a bachelor's degree in criminal justice from Kent State University and a master's degree in legal studies, criminal law, from the Cleveland Marshall College of Law at Cleveland State University. Affiant has good cause to believe that the fire department run report currently in the possession of the city of Berea of Fire Department, 2 Prospect Road, Berea, Ohio, 44017, for the patient MacKenzie Ford Shirilla, born 8/2 of 2004, contains evidence necessary for the purpose of investigating a motor vehicle crash with 2 fatalities. The facts upon which Affiant bases such beliefs are as follows. On Sunday, July 31st, 2022, at approximately 06:15 hours, a passerby listed in CAD 22-086777 as Tom Los called 911 to report that a vehicle ran into the business at the corner of Almeida Drive and Progress Drive in the city of Strongsville. Strongsville police and fire personnel responded and located a vehicle with extensive damage and split in half on the property of 11792 Almeida Drive. 3 occupants were trapped inside and required mechanical extrication. According to CAD 22-086779, at 0626 hours, the Strongsville Fire Department requested mutual aid from the Berea Fire Department. At 0628 hours, Berea Medic Number 1 was dispatched to the scene and arrived at 0637 hours to assist. 3 unconscious persons were located in the vehicle and were fully extricated by mechanical means by Strongsville fire medics. In the driver's seat was MacKenzie Ford Shirilla. She was wearing a seatbelt and was determined to be alive. Upon extrication, she was loaded into Berea Medic Number 1, which transported her to the helicopter landing zone. While receiving treatment on board Berea Medic Number 1. An unidentified Berea fire medic located a clear plastic bag containing a substance that resembled mushrooms and a digital scale on Shirilla's person. The suspected contraband was turned over to Falco number 7146 of the Strongsville Police Department and ultimately turned over to the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner for testing. Shirilla was subsequently transported to Metro Health Hospital in Cleveland via helicopter life flight. The front passenger, who is positively identified as Dominic Anthony Russo, born 9/24/2001, was deceased upon arrival. The rear passenger, who is identified as Davion Markle Flanagan, born 3/11/2003, was also deceased upon arrival. Preliminary investigation indicated the vehicle operated by MacKenzie Shirilla was involved in a single vehicle crash at the intersection of Progress Drive westbound and Almedia Drive after she lost control of it and crashed into the PLDCO building at 11792 Almeida Drive, where it came to final rest upright against the building. The vehicle, a 2018 Toyota Camry, black in color, bearing Ohio plate JIB 3692, is registered to Natalie Shannon Shirilla, born 3/31 of 1974. MacKenzie Shirilla was subsequently transported to the Metro Health Medical Center in Cleveland, where she still remains. Due to the nature of the motor vehicle accident and sustained injuries, field sobriety tests could not be conducted. Affiant avers that, based on the above information, Affiant has reason to believe that the non-redacted version of the Berea Fire Department's run report contains information about MacKenzie Shirilla that is necessary for the investigation. Affiant states that based on his training and experience in investigating criminal cases, and based on the information received in this case, he has reason to believe that evidence of OVI and drug possession may be contained in the non-redacted version of the Berea Fire Department's run report of the MacKenzie Shirilla. Further, Affiant saith not, Zaki Hezu, Detective, number 11 of the Strongsville Police Department, sworn to before me and subscribed in my presence this 11th day of August 2022. Judge, Berea Municipal Court.